Okay, students, our next chapter, that is chapter 25, important days. In this, you have to match important days with the dates of their celebrations. Okay, you have to match A column with B. Okay, first one is International Women's Day, which is celebrated on 8th March. International Women's Day is a global holiday celebrated annually on March 8 to commemorate the cultural, political, and socio-economic achievements of women. Number 2. World Disabled Day. World Disabled Day is celebrated on December 3 every year. Okay, International Day of Persons with Disabilities is an international observance promoted by the United Nations since 1992. It has been observed with the varying degrees of success around the planet. Number 3. World Health Day, which is celebrated on 7th April. World Health Day is a global health awareness day celebrated every year on April 7 under the sponsorship of the World Health Organizations as well as other related organizations. In 1948, the WHO held the first World Health Assembly. Fourth one is World Heritage Day. Okay, World Heritage Day, which is celebrated on 18th April. World Heritage Day is an international observance held on 18th April each year around the world with different types of activities including visits to monuments and heritage sites, conferences, round tables and newspaper articles. Let's see the next one, that is Earth Day, which is annually it's an annual event celebrated on April 22. Earth Day is an annual event on April 22 to demonstrate support for environmental problem or environmental protections. First held on April 22, 1970. It now includes a wide range of events coordinated globally by Earth Day organization including 1 billion people in more than 193 countries. Let's see sixth one, that is Mother's Day. And Mother's Day is celebrated when you might be knowing, right? Every year it is celebrated on the second Sunday of May. Remember, second Sunday of May, month May, is celebrated as Happy Mother's Day. Seventh is World Animal Welfare Day, which is celebrated on October 4. World Animal Welfare Day is observed on October 4th across the world every year. The International Day is very significant in terms of caring, protecting and spreading awareness through the support and involvement of individuals, groups and organizations that care for, love and that care for and love animals. Next, 8th United Nations Day, or you can say UN Day, is celebrated on 24th October every year. United Nations Day is an annual commemorative day reflecting the official creations of the United Nations of nations on 24th October 1945. Ninth one is World Tourism Day, which is celebrated on September 27th. Since 1980, the United Nations World Tourism Organization has celebrated World Tourism Day as international observances on September 27. This date was chosen as on that day in 1970. The statues of the UN WTO were adopted. The adoption of these statutes is considered a milestone in global tourism. And the last one is, yes, it's also very important, World Environment Day, which is celebrated every year on 5th June, right? World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye.